Welcome back to Cookside Down. Today I'm excited to present to you Koral.
Moin.
Koral is a kitchen gorilla and German TV personality. Koral, how do you become a kitchen gorilla?
Well, I love to cook, but I didn't want to have my own restaurant, so I took over restaurants from another people. We're a mobile kitchen.
Now that is thinking.
Yeah, it's fun.
What are we cooking today?
We are preparing something very North German today called Krabbenbrötchen.
Krabbenbrötchen.
Yes, sir.
Sounds delicious. Let's get to it. So Koral, how can I help you?
So you can start peeling this tiny delicious shrimps, and during this I prepare the sauce.
Oh, look at these guys. They're so small. I'll get the bowls out. So just take the head off
Yes.
and then the shell.
And I have here delicious, beautiful green herbs, 7 different kind.
These prawns here, whereabouts are they from?
They're from the North Sea. This is a very common used North German ingredient.
Koral, I was surprised to see just how large the coastline here is in Germany.
Yeah, you don't think it, right? Germany has a huge coastline from the Baltic Sea to the North Sea. There's so many different type of animals and plants which are only living in this part of Germany.
And that's a great area to have a walk around.
It takes a lot of time to walk around because it's quite muddy. It's a huge protected natural reserve called Wattenmeer. Wattenmeer. Jason, what about the shrimps?
I'm a little behind schedule, but I think I'm almost there. What's that behind you
I
there?
need them urgently.
Yeah, Carol, I'm ready for you whenever you're all ready.
Wow! Thank you.
So now you've got all those wonderful shrimps I've peeled for you. What next?
Can you please put the buns in the oven?
Can do.
Great.
These away.
For 5 minutes.
Buns. We're back in a moment. Carol, check out these buns.
They look fantastic.
Anything else you need a hand with?
A little bit of lemon.
Lemon? I can help you out with that, yes. How are your catching skills?
We'll see.
Oh, it's good?
Great.
Oh, perfect. All right, come over. We'll put it on the buns.
You will love it.
Wonderful.
Krabben, apple, herbs, mayonnaise, cream, some pepper. Ta-da! Krabbenbrötchen, guerrilla style.
Thank you so much. I can't wait. Oh, that's brilliant. Go on, you've got to have a bite.
Love it.
Good appetit.
Danke.
Thank you for coming on the show, Mr. Kitchen Gorilla.
Pleasure.
If you guys want to see more about this particular dish, please go onto Instagram, German Culinary, and we'll catch you guys next week for more.